Hey Tingers, my name is Natalia, and last week you all decided that I should create another card. So today I'm gonna show you this Pokeball friendship card. It has a little pocket where you can put anything inside of it, like a little cute letter or some candy, some jewelry, or whatever you really feel like. And it's really easy to create. Now I would love to know what you want me to create next, so be sure to vote here in the card above. So let's begin. Here's what you need to create this card. Now take your ruler and your compass and then measure out 8 centimeters. Then make a circle with your compass and then cut it out. Then take your ruler and your compass and then measure out 7 centimeters. Make a circle with that measurement and then cut that circle out. Now you should have 2 different size stencils, and we need to work with the first one. So take the first stencil, fold it in half and then cut it in half. Then place one of the halves on some red construction paper. Then sketch around it, and then cut this half circle out. Then place the other half of the stencil on some white construction paper, and then sketch around it, and then cut this half circle out. Then take the second stencil you created, and then place it on some pretty or decorative construction paper, and then sketch around it, and then cut this circle out as well. Then take the stencil you just used for this circle, and fold it in half, and then cut it in half. Then take one of the halves and then place it on some red construction paper, sketch around it, and then cut it out. And then you should have 2 different half circles with 2 different sizes. Then take the bigger half circle and then cut fringes all along the edges of it, and then bend all of these fringes inwards. Now these 2 halves should fit perfectly together. Now to create the pocket, put some glue all around the edges of the one you haven't cut, and then place the one with the fringes right on top. Adjust it a little bit and make sure that all of the fringes are inside of the pocket. Then press along the edges of it to make them properly stick together. Now leave this to dry completely and then move on to the white half circle you created earlier, and then cut fringes all along the edges of it. Then bend the fringes inwards and then put some glue all over the fringes. Then place it on top of this circle and then press down to make it stick properly. Leave it to dry and then move on to the decorations. So make a strip that's 2 centimeters wide and then 14 centimeters long. You also need to create a black circle, so measure out 2 centimeters with your compass and then make a circle. Measure out 1.5 centimeters with your compass and then create a white circle. Then cut out all of these details. Now before gluing anything together, take the black strip, find the middle and then make a mark, and then create a line downwards. And then cut it in half. Then put some glue on the red half of the strip and then glue it onto the red piece. And of course, press down to make it stick properly. Then take the other half, put some glue on it, and then glue it onto the bottom half of the card. Then put a droplet of glue onto the black circle, and then place the white one right on top. Then find the middle on the strip on the red piece, then make a mark. Then put some glue on the back of the black circle, but only on half of it, and then place it right on top of the marking. Then press down to make it stick properly. Test your card out to see if it slides perfectly, and then fill it up with anything you like an invite, some toys, a little love letter, or some candy. It's totally up to you and your imagination. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you did, and don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out on any future videos. And be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration, and I will see you soon with more ideas. Bye!